Amakosi have finally announced their new head coach after Nasruddin Nabi agreed to join the Glamour Boys. The Tunisian coach held talks with Chiefs after winning back-to-back trebles with Young African SC, but saw his deal fall through and eventually joined Botola Pro outfit Asfar Rabat. He finished second behind Joseph Zinbau's Raja Athletic Club, ending just 1 point behind the unbeaten Moroccan champions before also losing the Throne Cup final to the German tactician. His experience on the continent and run of success attracted Chiefs again, and they have activated his buyout clause to get him to Naturena this time around. On Sunday, Chiefs announced Nabi's arrival at the club, who met his new team in their training camp. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.